unboxing.
We are going to do unboxing. Welcome to Nikhil Dev's channel.
Welcome to Nikhil Dev's channel.
Okay. Subscribe to Nikhil Dev channel.
Nikhil Dev's channel.
Yes. So we are going to unbox
The tools.
tools. Yes. So we bought tools from Bosch. Okay. What is this? Bosch tools.
Bosch tools
Yeah. Yes. Yes. So Nikhil Dev is going to tell you all what is inside this Bosch toolbox. Okay. He knows all the tools. Yes.
And then this thing is toys.
Shall we remove the cap?
Yes!
Yes.
That is hair.
Hair. Yes. Okay. Okay. Come on.
Let's go!
Let's get started. Okay. Okay, I'll open the box.
I open the box.
Okay.
And let this one open the
Okay.
box.
1, 2, 3.
No!
Ta-da!
There are no tools there.
Tools is here. Okay.
There's a tires
Nikhil, can you tell mommy what are the tools here?
There's so many tools there.
Yeah, so many
The
tools.
bit there.
Okay, what is this?
No, there's a bit there.
Tell them. What is this?
The bit is there.
Okay, these are called bits.
The bit is not screwdriver.
Screwdriver la podno. Okay. Okay, can you tell the other one?
Yes, I'm going to say.
Okay, can you take it out? Yeah.
Yes.
What is this?
This is like that's a lot.
This is wrench.
That's a lot.
Adi pannu. How to open it?
This is letters done.
Okay. Show them, show them, show them. Oh wow, Nikhil has opened it.
It's bundle.
And then how you have to do? Okay, done. Okay, next one.
Then it's screwdriver.
Okay, screwdriver. Show them. See, this is screwdriver.
The screwdriver is black.
Blue, black color screwdriver. Okay.
It's so dirty.
Yeah, so dark, correct.
It's so dirty.
Hmm.
So shiny.
I'm so sorry. Okay,
So
next.
shiny.
Okay, so shining. Okay.
Look at that.
Yeah, okay.
It's so yellow.
Now what you have to do this with this bit?
The bit is like number 6 screwdriver starting.
Open and put it to the screwdriver. Okay,
Okay,
how-
That's the right one.
You don't want this? Okay, I want this.
No, the right one.
No, and okay. Then which one you want? Tell soon.
This one, big.
This one. Okay, here.
Thank you.
Okay,
The big.
yeah.
I like big.
You like bit. Okay, then show them how to put.
That's it.
Okay. Okay, you have to put like this and you have to use it.
Yeah, it's understood. It's what purpose?
Be careful with sharp objects. You should be with your parents only. Okay? Okay. Keep it down. Can you show the next one? Nikhil, can you show the next one?
Let's just
Okay.
like that is spinning.
Like that spinning. Okay.
Like the screwdriver, the woodla panna.
Woodla pannu. Correct.
I understand it.
Okay. What is the next one?
And hammer la woodla panna.
Take it out. Try it.
Sorry. Hard.
Ah, yeah.
It's a hammer little.
Nice. Okay. Oh, okay. Good.
See that?
Yeah, I heard it. Good.
Then close ears.
Close the ears. Okay. Sound na? Close your ears. Our hammer. Took. Okay. Next one. Okay. Next one. Show them. What is this?
Cutting player.
Cutting player. Correct. Oh, wow.
You need close ears.
Okay, close ears. Is it dangerous?
No.
No. Okay.
This is a
This is not dangerous.
that's not dangerous.
Okay.
Chinna.
Small, smaller. Ah. Say okay.
Not a big one.
It's not a big one. Okay, done, sir. Then what is this last?
This is also big.
Yeah, this is also big. Okay. What is this? Last one. Okay, show them.
This is measure tape.
Measure tape. Correct.
Measure tape.
Hmm.
There is measure tape.
Oh, wow. Why? What you will use with this?
I will use the wood.
You have to use it for measuring.
When this is the wood test.
Wood measure pannu. Correct.
This is
Correct. Very good. You know all the tools.
Yes,
Thank you, Nikhil, for showing me all the tools.
It's not all the tools there are there.
Okay.
No drilling machine.
No drilling machine. We will get it. Okay.
And chinna
drilling machine வாங்கிடலாம். Okay. Thank you guys.
Thank you guys.
I'll see you in the next video.
In the next video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Nikhil Dev.
Today.
Tata.
Tata.